Okay, so under what circumstances might we interrupt? Well, we don't want to interrupt at all. Now, this is a real difficult experience for sales managers because we're conditioned as salespeople. We've become sales managers because we were successful at selling. And imagine being in a meeting with a salesperson, everything's going well, but then the salesperson starts to miss an opportunity maybe, and we think maybe might lose this deal or maybe do something that upsets the customer. As a salesperson, you're feeling terrible. You want to jump in there and take over this meeting. But you're not a salesperson. And actually, at this moment in time, you're not even a sales manager. You're a coach. So your job is to observe. So the only circumstances that you would interrupt is if the salesperson is about to commit your organization to something that they can't possibly deliver upon. So the only thing we're going to do with the salesperson as part of our planning is we would agree a signal at which point we're going to interrupt. And when the salesperson hears that signal, which could be maybe a question from you as the sales manager, you say to the salesperson, you turn to them and say, would you mind if I ask a question? That's the salesperson's signal to pause and let you carry on. And then there's a signal where you hand it back to the salesperson. And then when the salesperson hears that signal, they pick it up again. And we can arrange a signal the other way. For the salesperson, if for some reason the salesperson is not feeling comfortable at all, they can pass it to the manager to take the call on. So the signal means that it's seamless as far as the customer's concerned. Apart from that, we don't interrupt. Okay, so that's the planning. We agree that beforehand. That's all done so that the minute we meet with the customer, everybody knows what's going on. Step 2 in our 3-part process is the observation. So this is when we've met the customer and now we're going to sit there and observe.